Hey there, welcome back. So let's do a quick recap. On the last video, we had this one big battery and we tried to charge the Delta 3 Plus using the two DC input behind. We did parallel the wires so they connect to that one big battery, and it did work. However, there was one problem. It was limited to 8 amps on each input, but we know the answer because the center pin of the XT60i is not connected to the negative side or the negative wire. So on this video, we'll see if we can fix that issue. We'll try to solder the center pin to the negative wire and see if that even changes anything. So that's the quick recap. And so here's what I did. I bridged the center pin to the negative wire. This should allow EcoFlow to unlock the 15 amp limit. Let's see if there's a difference. Now I fixed both. Those center pins should be connected to the negative. Let's see if we can get 1000 watt. Now it's connected. Same thing. Now we have truly X60i. Let's see the difference. Ready? Go. Kaboom. I see two solar icons. Okay. Let's see if it stays 1000. A few more seconds. So it's not dropping. So my conclusion is that the two MPPT controllers are totally isolated. They don't share the negative. You have to use two XT60i. The center pin should be connected to the negative. Yeah, that's it, guys. It works. And you know, I really wish that EcoFlow, you know, gave at least one solar cable, so you don't have to buy. That's how EcoFlow does. They need the eye to allow more current. Bluetti is that, or other power stations, what they do is that if you're above 32 or something, 32 volts, they know that that's not a car, that's a solar panel, so they open up the current to the maximum limit. But if your voltage is below that set voltage, like 13 volts or 14 volts, the power station will think that you're in a car, so it limits to 8 amps. I think I like how EcoFlow does it, you know, so you can cheat on it. All right, so it works. See you guys in the next video.